This video will explain how to perform urinary tract infection rapid test at home. Before you start, please read test procedure, how to use the test, and interpretation of the results. Before performing the test, allow the test cup to equilibrate to room temperature, 2 to 30 degrees Celsius. The test can be used by women or men, but for women, the test should not be performed during or for 3 days after your menstrual period. Check you have all components listed on the packaging and ensure you have a clean work surface to lay out your test components. Test strip, instruction, plastic cup, and color chart. You can see 4 parameters on the chart: leukocytes, blood, nitrite, protein. Collect part of the urine in the supplied plastic cup. Open the foil pouch and take out the test strip. Do not touch the test fields. Dip the test strip in the urine sample. Press the strip and make sure that all 4 test fields are immersed for about 1 to 2 seconds. Then remove the test strip and wipe off any surplus urine against the rim of the container to avoid mixing chemicals from adjacent reagent areas.
So you just need to wait for 2 minutes for the results. It's going to be in negative results for UTI. Then we compare the results with the color chart, so you can see that it's negative results.